Hi, welcome to Fun Travel Japan. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Japan's temples and shrines. We will explore their unique features and show you how to properly pay your respects when you visit. So, let's get started. First, let's look at shrines or jinja in Japanese. Shrines are Shinto places of worship. Shinto is Japan's traditional religion. Shrines are where people worship kami, which are spirits of nature and ancestors. Today, I'm going to tell you how to visit shrine in traditional Japanese way. Let's get started. So, this is a torii gate. Usually, you can find in front of shrines. And this is very important gate because you're going into the sanctuary. So, before you go into the sanctuary, you need to bow. So, on the way to go to the main shrine, usually there's a wide path. But here, you are not allowed to walk in the middle of the path because the center of the path is for deity. So, human being, you need to make a way for deity. So, left side or right side, the edge of the street is the way that you can walk. So, before going to main shrine, you need to cleanse yourself. So, this is called chozuya. So I'm going to show you how to cleanse yourself. This is not the traditional way, but after the pandemic, like everybody used this. All right, let's do this. So first, scoop 1 scoop of water. And then first, clean your left hand, right hand. After this, use your left hand like a cup and cleanse your mouth. Do not touch your mouth directly to this scoop. After this, cleanse your left hand again and cleanse this stick. Alright, and I put it back. Now you're ready to go to see the deity. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to pray at the shrine. Let's go. So in front of the main shrine, first you need to put a coin and then bow twice, clap twice and make a wish. After that, bow once before you leave and say thank you and leave the main shrine. So then, before you leave the shrine, bow again and then say thank you to the deity and leave the shrine. Thank you. Now, let's look at temples or tera in Japanese. Temples are Buddhist places for meditation, prayer, and learning. Buddhism came to Japan in the 6th century and became very important. Okay, so this is called Sammon Gate. This is like a torii gate in shrine, but that Sammon Gate you can find in temples. So this is a gate to go into sanctuary. So how to go inside is just like the same as when you go into the shrine. So let's go. So in front of the gate, before you go into the main gate, you need to bow. But if you wear a hat or cap, please take your hat. That shows them your respect. Okay. So just like the shrines, there is a place to cleanse yourself in temple as well. So once you enter the temple, please cleanse yourself and then go to the main hall. So how to pray at temples is different from how to pray at the shrine. So I'm gonna tell you how to properly pray at the temple. So first you go inside this main hall and then you can find the offering box. So please put your coins into the box. That is the same. But from now on, you just place your hands in front of your chest and bow and then pray. And just leave the main hall. That's the proper way to pray at temples. Alright, this is omikuji. Let's try omikuji fortune telling. This one says 100 yen. So 100 yen coin. Take very well. And then you can get one of the stick from here. And then stick have a number. This one says actually 48 in Japanese. 48. Okay, get one of the paper from this. And then please remember put this stick back into this box. So I got this paper from the omikuji box. This is written in Japanese, but you can find some paper written in English. Like for example, when you go to Meiji Jingu Shrine or Asakusa Sensoji Temple. So if you find some of them, you can try this one. And this is the place for the omikuji. And then if you get the very bad fortune, you can tie the paper on this place, at this place, and the Buddha or deity will protect you from the evil ones. And if you have like good fortune or like a normal fortune, and if you have a not bad fortune, you can keep this into your wallet or you can bring it back to your home. So this is good souvenir. Thank you. Alright, we've been talking about the difference between shrines and temples, but this is just an example. There are some different ways to visit temples and then shrines, but I hope this video will be helpful for you to explore temples and then shrines in Japan. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips from Fun Travel Japan. Happy travel! Picture. Some people feel like, oh, she is still waiting for the professor. Area has a different kind of ramen. So